Now, I told you that food that comes to this place is digested inside here. Now, the scientists, the biologists regards this tube-like organism as something like a worm. If you spread it out, it will look like a worm. So this place is regarded as outside the body of the organism. So digesting food in the gastrovascular cavity is regarded as digesting the food outside the body tissue. So such digestion is referred to as extracellular digestion. So this hydra in particular digests the food extracellularly. Extracellular digestion. In hydra. We said that because this organism possesses both testes and ovary in the same body, the organism is hermaphrodite. Nothing we know about them is being hermaphrodite. This is the structure. The structure.